Hi guys. So I've been absent from YouTube for I think a couple days over a week since I've last posted and painted. I've been somewhat sick and I was in the hospital. We found out that I had salmonella poisoning, and while I was in there they did a bunch of tests and CAT scan and everything. So end result was I had salmonella poisoning, and then they found a mass. And the mass is on my left ovary. I'm trying to keep it together these days. It's a big shock. Who knew that salmonella poisoning was a blessing in disguise? So I'm going to need to have surgery. I will be out of commission for 6 to 8 weeks. So I'm shutting down my Etsy store, right before surgery. There isn't much in there, but I don't need to have any orders come in because I won't be able to ship them out. What else? So my simple request, because I will be out of work, no income, the only income I have will be coming from YouTube. I ask for your patience. I'm going to try and pour 1 to 2 paintings a day to cover the gap in my YouTube channel. I won't be able to really respond to many comments or do any sales at the time, but I just wanted to let you all know what's going on. So if you see a delay in videos, you will know why. They don't know if it's malignant or benign. Surgery needs to happen for them to biopsy the mass. It's fairly large. It's about 8 inches by 5 by 6. So for those of you that have always thought that I was pregnant and have asked, clearly we now know that it's not an underactive thyroid, that it is actually a mass. So I wish you guys all the best. I hope you try and watch my videos in full, because that will help me, as YouTube will be my only source of income for the next couple of months. I wish you all the best. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, so this did not work out as planned. I don't like it at all. So I'm going to do something new. I mixed up a bunch of paints. It's a little much. Not new, but something else. All right, I have my gold. I have Prussian Blue by Liquitex Basics, mixed 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. I have Folk Arts, I have no idea what this is. Oh, the Treasure Gold series, and this is Blue Quartz, mixed equal parts Floetrol to paint. I'm gonna give it one more go, and then I'm gonna walk away. We'll see how this one does. So, yeah, this is what happens when you take a week off. It affects everything. So I'm hoping that this one will be much better. just have a lot on my mind, having a really hard time thinking of color combinations, really. Normally I would scrape the canvas, but it'll save me on coating again, putting down that layer, the flow aid. All right, I mixed up just enough. I am, however, going to put white in the middle. Just to help everything move along. I'm not really concerned about the amount of Floetrol and paint that's gonna run off. So, there we have it. I'm gonna bring you guys in and we'll go from there. I'm not gonna, there was a lot of white at the bottom there, so I'm not going to keep going with that. All right, I'm very happy with this. Not happy with the piece prior, but I'm happy with this. So I'm just rotating it so that it's back to my normal position, pouring. You may have noticed I moved forward and did the pour, and then I moved back and moved things around just a bit. Something different. So we're gonna get you guys back into view and go from there. All right. Now, a little rusty. I'm not wearing my sweater. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to torch out the bubbles because I did just mix these paints up. I'm really, really liking what I'm seeing. So I think what I'm going to do is rotate it in a counterclockwise. You can hear the ducks. They're getting so big. And I'm moving somewhat slowly because I don't want it to skew composition. The canvas is a little heavy right now, so I'm trying real hard. Not to So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it to one of the corners. I wanna get this area, I think, off, but I'm gonna stretch it over here first and see what we get. But I'm going to torch it also because there's a lot of air bubbles. So I brought everything back to the center of the canvas, and I am actually going to just go right to the edge and bring it in. I'm going to come right on down to this edge and slide it. And I'm going to bring it right back into the middle here. And now I'm going to just bring it to this edge and then bring it down to the corner. Yeah, this is so much better than what was there. Oh, I love it. It's beautiful. Lots going on in this piece. I almost want to bring it more this way so we can open up these bands, but wait a second and let the painting develop a little bit. Decisions. It's like I don't want to lose the boulders on the side here, but I also don't want to open up that area too much. I think I'm done moving this. I love the gold band. All right, I'm gonna bring you in just a sec. All right, so here it is. And you can't tell, but the gold, it's so beautiful. There we go. It's beautiful. I love this. I love these translucent areas here with the layers of colors underneath. And the lines. And look at this one right here is so cool. Anywho, I hope you guys loved this video. Sort of looks like wings and feathers. I love the contrasting colors here, the dark with the white. And right up in here. So pretty. But thank you so much for watching. And the little boulders are there. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Share my video. All those things will help me. It helps all YouTube artists. And if you want to keep seeing things that I produce, when you do hit the subscribe button, ring that bell so you'll get notifications and never miss a video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I want to thank you all for the love and support ahead of time. And that's about it. Have a great day.